Well, my name's Charlie. I'm originally from Massachusetts. I've been living in New York for the last 5 years. Yeah, so I got into yoga because of a back injury. I was bedridden for a month and I started meditating, and it really cut my healing time in half. And over the last, that was 2 years ago or so, and so I kind of discovered yoga and meditation as my truth, but living in New York, I wasn't able to fully pursue that. So, eventually it got to a point where I knew I needed to fully commit, and so that's why I came here. And so I came with, just a lot of inner blockages I could feel. I was creatively repressed, spiritually repressed, and in the 3 weeks since coming here, it's really opened me up a lot. I'm kind of a repressed musician, I feel. I've never made any music really, other than just messing around. But now I've really opened up. I'm making a song right now with one of the other students, and yeah, it just opened up a lot to my passions. I've really let go of a lot of my existential angst, I guess. It's kind of, with the yoga, with the practice, the kriyas, it's really helped me to go within and to come into my own power, to be able to manage that, to be able to let go of what's holding me back. And yeah, Nanji, he's amazing. He's a very intelligent, enlightened being. Yeah, he gives amazing journeys, and it's been an incredible journey to this point. I feel like my life has finally begun now, and I'm very excited for myself to continue these practices. I feel like I've come home and I've come into myself, and I'm really ready to start life now. And yeah, namaste.